Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 15. Its title is The Technologies. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of Read and Think, we are going to learn use of a dictionary and gap summary. Before this, we have learned how to arrange words in alphabetical order. Remember? Okay. So we are going to learn further to use summary skills to provide the missing words in a gapped summary. Organize vocabulary items learned in class according to the selected organizing principles, such as arranging words in alphabetical order and parts of speech. So our focus is alphabetical order for today. Familiarize themselves with a dictionary in preparation for its use. So we'll just prepare ourselves and we'll use dictionary in grade 4 inshallah. So these are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 6. Believers, when an ungodly person brings to you a piece of news, carefully ascertain its truth, lest you should hurt a people unwillingly and thereafter repent at what you did. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, whatever news reaches to us, first we should find out, is it correct or not? We should not believe it blindly. This is what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us. So when something reaches to you, first find out, is it correct or not? Okay. So this is one of the principle of learning. So now you tell me, what is an alphabetical order? And have you seen or used a dictionary? So every one of you, tell to your teacher, have you seen or used a dictionary? And what is alphabetical order? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you remember alphabetical order as I have told you. So one thing, we have practiced many times alphabetical order. We arrange the words the way they appear for their first letter as they appear in alphabets. But what if the first letter is same? What do? We apply the same principle on second letter. That is called second alphabetical order. For example, here is a list of words. Now, when you look at them, the first letter for all these words is B. So to arrange these words in alphabetical order, we will look at the second word and we'll keep arranging these words for second letter as they appear in alphabets, in ABC. And how will we arrange it? So for second alphabet, first letter A is there and this word will come at the top, that's ball. What comes next? Bear. What comes next? Because you see, after A, the second B, C, D are missing and E is there. So we'll take this word. Next is bill. Next is black, because after E, I is there. Okay. After I, L is there. O is there. Boil, brother, and butter. This is how this list has been arranged in alphabetical order. And better in the same way, the way I told you, for first alphabetical order, for second, for third, this is how a dictionary is arranged. In a dictionary, this is how words are placed in a dictionary. Okay, we will learn further. Have you ever seen a dictionary? This is how a dictionary look like, right? So there are actually, dictionary is a list of words which are alphabetically arranged and there are more information we'll find out today. So first of all, the first part of dictionary is guide words. What are guide words? Whenever you find a dictionary, beta, on any page there is a word over here and over here. It tells you the first word on this page and the last word on this page, and all the words which come in between these two words will be on these two pages, right? So these two pages are list between this and this word, and these two words are called guide words, right? Next is entry word. Entry word is what you want to find out. The word you are looking for in dictionary is entry word. So first you'll go to that page where, for example, you are looking for mountain. You want to find out what it is in dictionary. So you will go to that page. And what a dictionary will tell you about it? The dictionary will tell you part of speech for this word. Either it's noun or a verb or adjective or adverb or whatever. Which part of speech this word belongs to. Secondly, dictionary will guide you about the spellings to make its plural and its definition. This is how it is. Okay. So, mountain, when you open your dictionary and find it what it is, it's a noun. So, which part of speech it is? It's a noun. This is the first definition, means what does a mountain mean? This is the first, and if there is second, that is also written. If there is third, that will also be written. So you will find maximum information about this word. After that, how you will make plural, it will be given here. Okay, how you will convert this word into its plural. So this is what a dictionary can help you about a word. Part of speech, its meaning and its plural, right? And the dictionary for more things as well. So this is what a dictionary is and how do we use it. Now the example given in your book is, for example, you want to find this word hero. There is pronunciation as well. How will you pronounce this word? How will you say it? You see, hero. And its plural is by adding es, heroes. Its meaning is a person who shows courage, anyone who is good example of strong character in a story or play. So these are the definitions. This is the pronunciation. This N is showing it's a noun and it is showing its plural, right? This is what we can find out about a word in a dictionary, right? The second example is buggy. How do we say buggy? This is how it's given, buggy. This is the pronunciation, you see, buggy. Its plural is, it's a noun. You can convert it into its plural in this way, and these are the meanings. A small carriage pulled by a horse, or a baby carriage, or an old car is also called buggy. You see? So this is how we find a word in a dictionary, right? Okay, so let's practice the concept of dictionary through an activity. Your teacher will divide the class in groups and the students in group will highlight difficult words from the lesson, page 123. First, you will find out whatever you find difficult. Now, students will enlist these words and will arrange these words in first and second alphabetical order, and student will also write the meanings of these words with the help of a dictionary. And teacher kindly provide very simple dictionary because this is just grade 3. So children, pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. Beta, we will in grade 4, because just after a few days you'll have your final exam, you will be promoted to grade 4. We will thoroughly practice use of a dictionary, okay? So what's next? Gap summary. What is summary? Beta, when we make a big text short, it becomes summary, and we write all the things but in a short form. Like we take all the unnecessary details out, and whatever is left, that becomes a summary of that text, right? Now this is a gap summary, and what does gap summary mean? Few of the words are missing. Now these words you will find from the actual text and you will complete it. So this paragraph is basically a small version, a summary of the text we read in this unit, the technologies and You will read the text. First, read the whole passage and try to get the meaning. First, you will understand the text and then fill in the gaps to complete it. And wherever you find a little difficulty, you can refer back to the original text. Do you understand? Okay, so first you will read this text, try to understand. Maybe you can fill the gaps by yourself. And if there is any problem, you can read the original text of your unit and then complete this text. Okay, so pause the video, complete this gap summary and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will write meaning of these words from dictionary. Okay, so these words I have listed for you. Find out their meanings. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, and here is another. Beta, yesterday I gave you this worksheet for reading about sloths. So this is the gap summary for the same information. So you are going to complete it. And we learned to use summary skills to provide missing words in gap summary, organize vocabulary items learned in classroom according to the selected organizing principles such as arranging words in alphabetical order. And parts of speech we'll do some other time. Familiarize themselves with the dictionary in a preparation for its use. So are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.